With the increased dependency on data, the importance of having the quality data is must. Since the flowing implementation of artificial intelligence and machine learning makes it more important to have quality data for the objective of accuracy during the analytics and use of data through these technologies. Every individual and organizations have the train to collect and store data with manual or software-based data entry systems. Here the mostly identified three data collections common issues are manual error while data entry, ambiguous data, and data duplication. The major impact that can invite for the management of data with the manual data entry error is that it can reduce the accuracy of the data as the data entry has stored the incorrect and inaccurate data. Similarly, ambiguous data can impact of the data retrieval mode. For example, if creating a database for contact numbers is done, there could be numbers ranging from 7 to 10 digits in general. However, there could be cases where the international numbers or digits more than 10 could be required. Here, the uncertain entry of the data could have ambiguous state. Furthermore, data duplication majorly impacts on the accuracy and integrity of the data as it directly has to do with decision making, either it be financial or operational. For example, a department store having 100 quantities of Oreo for sale could have issue if the quantity of the same item is seen 200. This can lead to have the result of decreased sales and unmanaged inventory record. Moreover, these kinds of errors can be reduced by following the layer of data assure in every level of data usage. Understanding the data and accessing can give a concept to data profiling that can determine the data types, repetitive data, and data accuracy. For the advanced analytics of the data, issue of complete data is required. In addition, optimization the data quality needs to be performed using tools for having advanced model training and obtaining accurate deliverables.